A little bit of good news out there. It's not going to be as windy today as it was yesterday. By the way, peak winds in the Albuquerque metro area occurred between 5 and 6 yesterday afternoon. At the Sunport, the highest wind speed was recorded at about 63 miles per hour. But get this, at the Sandia Peak Crest, 99-mile-per-hour wind yesterday, 5:02 in the afternoon. That was some mean winds. But the winds have, as I mentioned earlier, started to settle down. Now the story is one that includes some showers. Take a look at the Doppler radar outside of Las Cruces and down here towards Deming and points south there around Columbus. We are seeing some scattered showers. That's all along that cold front that has started the cooling trend. And if you haven't stepped outside, it is chilly. And we're actually seeing reports now of some light snow flurries coming from just outside of Cuba and back to the east of Grants, and these appear to be headed towards the Albuquerque metro. Who knows? Parts of the metro could even see a snow flurry this morning, but there's a better chance of probably seeing a rain shower by later this afternoon. Look how cold it is, 37 degrees now at the Sunport, with just a bit of a breeze now out of the west and southwest at 9 miles per hour. And as you go north and west of the metro, temperatures are a lot colder out there. How much colder? Well, anywhere from 20 to 25 degrees colder than this time yesterday. And actually, that trend towards cooler temperatures over the past 24 hours is pretty much so in place statewide. And we've got some advisories to tell you about, obviously, with the cold air from the Rio Grande Valley here through the Albuquerque metro and then back into the east central and northeast plains. For tonight, there's a freeze watch in effect. That's through 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. So some of those flowers that are starting to bloom in the flower bed could be in jeopardy with this surge of cold air. Meanwhile, still the chance for some high fire danger down in the southeastern corner of the state. There we do have red flag warnings in effect until 6 o'clock this afternoon. So there's still a little wind to be had, obviously, down towards the south and east. Meanwhile, we turn our attention to the cold temperatures. And look at the numbers in blue. Those represent your overnight numbers tonight in the northwest. Northwest Plateau dropping down into the teens. Meanwhile, we'll be about the freezing mark back in the west central areas of the state. But as far as today goes, I do think there is a chance at seeing some scattered showers and possibly even a thunder shower, especially in the western and northern parts of the state, while we remain warm, but not as warm as it has been in the southeast and certainly windy down there. A few spot showers today in the northeast. And across the northern mountains, some of those spot showers could come as snow showers, even though the ski season is long since behind us. Still a chance at seeing some wind out there, although really I don't think the wind's going to be as big of an issue. We should probably change that freezing to breezy out there. So there's still some wind to talk about, and I'll show you some of those wind numbers coming up in the next half hour of our broadcast. But certainly a lot cooler out there. Temperatures dropping down to near the freezing mark tonight. That's when the breezes finally settle down. Meanwhile, a high of 54 degrees today.